What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your SIMBA SIM card either from the browser on your computer as I'm doing right here or from the browser on your phone. So simply go to this page right here, or if you don't find it, go to Google and type in activate SIMBA SIM card and you should be able to find this page here at the first result called self-activation. Now, the first thing you need to do is to scan the barcode that is on the packaging of the SIM card, or alternatively, if you are using your browser here or your computer or your laptop, you need to enter the number manually. Under the barcode, you should see here a 20-digit number. You can enter it here manually and then enter in this field right here your registered SIMBA mobile number. And then go here to continue with the setup wizard. The next step is the authentication, where you authenticate and confirm your details. And once you finish the setup, the on-screen setup here, it'll guide you through the needed steps. And once you've successfully finished all these steps, the setup steps, you should be able to successfully activate your SIMBA SIM card on your phone.